Spring is almost here, so it's sunglasses time, and today we're going to look at Lily of the Valley shrub, or Pieris Japonica. Lily of the Valley shrubs are evergreens that prefer a partial shade exposure. The only problem is when you buy them, you're not looking at how tall they grow. Varieties like Variegata, right here, 6 feet tall. Varieties like Little Heath right here, which almost looks identical, only 3 feet. You also have a great range of flower colors. We have pink of Katsura. We have red of Valentine. We have red that pops from white buds from Bonfire. So choose the one that you like. Also the new growth like Katsura is shellac burgundy. It's absolutely stunning in spring and again in fall. These are ericaceous plants. They're acid loving like rhododendrons. So when you fertilize them in April, you want to use a rhododendron fertilizer. And pruning, we'll show you a little bit afterwards, happens right after the flowers fade. So pruning occurs right after the flowers have faded. You just want to hold them up, go right down to where the leaf whorl is and cut, and it's all done. So now is the best time to come shopping for Pieris because they're in full bloom and you can just choose the one that catches your eye.